Ever wondered why some climbers look so smooth and controlled while others look stiff and uncoordinated? If you break your movement into these 4 phases, you will climb like a pro, light and fluid, instead of rusty like a robot. First, prepare. Pick your next hold and set up your feet so you can reach the hold. Second, execute. Tense the right muscles and move toward the target hold. Third, freeze. Stabilize your body for a short moment and get the balance back. Fourth, relax. Release the tension as much as possible. Maybe readjust your feet, and then the cycle starts again. Prepare. Execute. Freeze. Relax. Wanna climb bigger? Drop a like and leave a comment.